sticks with the fastball. 1-2 coming. Fastball, ground ball, base hit right field. Here comes Morrison, he scores. Here comes Buck, he will score. Game's tied. Stanton to second. And the Marlins have their big hit.
Kimbrel wanted to stay with that fastball because that's been his best pitch this inning. He gave up the double to John Buck. He knew that O'Flaherty struck out Mike Stanton on a fastball. And when you're strong, even if you're a little behind the fastball, you muscle it out there. Mike, give him credit. That's not an easy AB against a tough closer. He drives in 2 runs. First runs the Marlins have scored in quite some time.